agents in order to help you automate your trading. They can't just trade for you. I've already proven that. And maybe this will prove me wrong. I'm not here to say I'm wrong or right. I'm a trader. I know I'm wrong most of the time. But I wanted to answer this question because I show everything live on stream every single day. And everybody's like, Moon, can I just have Anthropic or Claude trade for me? Or can I just have GPT 5.6 decide if I should go long or short? And I've tested this over and over again. I kind of knew the answer, but I wanted to have a public reference that you can look into and answer that question yourself. So if you have a friend that asked that question, that's obviously the first thing to ask. And I asked that as well. Oh, we have these new AIs. Can they just trade for us? Now we have a public reference that you can answer that question. What I want to do now is I want to show you what is behind these models. So if you are a coder, you can go to GitHub, AI Moon Dev Trading Battle, and all of the code is open source. Moon Dev Trading Battle. If you go here to this page here, I'll walk you through it because this code is literally years and years of work when it comes to building on Hyperliquid. So you can see the actual battle core. This is all of the functions that are similar. So you can see place trades is true. You can see they're not using leverage. They're trading on the 1 hour time frame. There's all types of things that can be changed. Now, this is the most honest caveat I can give you is this is a little biased, right? Because I'm the one who created the prompts. Here are the 2 prompts. They're open source. When they're not in a position, that's called flat. When they are in a position, that's the imposition prompt. They get 2 different prompts. They all get the exact same data. Like I mentioned before, they get the open, high, low, close volume data. They get the ask bid data, and they also get people's positions so they can see everybody's positions, which is pretty nice because until about a couple years ago, you weren't able to see other people's positions. You can see when people are going to get liquidated. Here's an example of that. If I hit Command L here, I can see, okay, this guy gets liquidated for $3.2 million in 0.3%. This guy gets liquidated for 143K and 0.7%. These are different assets. They are all these AIs are trading BTC. So that's another honest caveat there. And the reason I did this and put it open source is because there are many holes in this test, right? I'm trading only BTC, which is not trending right now. Maybe these AIs would do better in an environment that's trending. So apply this exact same code to a different instrument, maybe S&P 500. Anyways, this is all of the code here, and you can dive deep into any of these models to see the actual trades. But what I want to show you now you know like where to get the code. You can explore this GitHub with your AI. I know most of you don't code, so I'm not going to bore you with the GitHub. It's MoonDev AI Trading Battles. What I do want to show you is how to actually use AI to code. You can see in the bottom right here,